Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the remaining part of chapter number 4 of your English grammar, and the name of the chapter is Elements of a Sentence. Students, in previous video of grammar I taught you about the subject and the predicate part. So today I will teach you the object and complement. I will teach you what is an object and what is a complement. So this is the part of chapter number 4, elements of a sentence. So just see here, I have written the definition of object. What is an object? The person or the thing to whom or to which something is done is called an object. The person or thing to whom or to which something is done is called an object. Students, to find out the object in a sentence, we ask questions with whom or what. Whenever you have to find out an object in a sentence, so you should ask questions with whom or what. See the example here. Ram killed a snake. This is a sentence. Ram killed a snake. I have written the question here. I have asked the question with whom. Whom did Ram kill? Whom did Ram kill? The answer will be what? A snake. So it will be what? An object. Now see the second example. I have purchased a car. What have I purchased? In second example, I have put the question with what. I have purchased a car. What have I purchased? The answer will be a car. So a car will be what? It will be an object. So students, a snake is an object in this sentence, and a car is an object in second sentence, in second example. So whenever you have to find out the object in a sentence, at that time you will put question, you will ask question with whom or what. Okay, and whatever the answer will be there, that will be the object. Okay students, objects are of two types. There are two types of object: indirect object and direct object. So what is an indirect object and what is a direct object? Just see here. An indirect object is usually the name of some person, while a direct object is usually the name of something. An indirect object is usually the name of some person, while a direct object is usually the name of something. Just get here from the example. Understand with the example. He gave me a pen. I sent Mahesh a check. He gave me a pen. Here me and a pen. Here are two objects in this sentence, me and a pen. So me will be indirect object because it is used for a person. Okay, it is the name of a person and it is used for a person. And a pen, it is a thing. That's why a pen will be direct object. In second sentence, I sent Mahesh a check. In this sentence there are two objects, Mahesh and a check. So students, Mahesh is the name of a person and a check, it is what? It is a thing. It is not the name of a person. So Mahesh will be indirect object and the check will be direct object. So me and Mahesh, these two are indirect objects in these two sentences, and a pen and a check, these are direct objects in this sentence. Means me will be indirect object and a pen will be direct object in first sentence, and Mahesh will Mahesh is indirect object and a check is direct object in second example. Okay, so this is the definition of the object, kinds of the object, and the examples of the object you will write down in your notebook. Okay, students, now see about complement. What is complement? A complement is a word or word group that follows a verb and describes a noun or pronoun that comes before it. A complement is a word or word group that follows a verb and describes a noun or a pronoun that comes before it. See the example you will understand by the example. There, they selected Ram, the captain of their team. Students, so Ram is an object and the captain of their team. This is it is a word group and it is describing the noun Ram, and Ram is just before the complement. So this one will be complement. Complement means the portion or the word group that is completing the sense of the sentence. That is completing the sense of the sentence. See the second example. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. The first Prime Minister of India, it is what? It is a complement. She named her daughter Radha. She named her daughter. Her daughter is what? An object, and Radha, it is a complement. Okay, Radha is complement and it is describing the noun that comes before this word complement. And here he looked very sad. Very sad is what? It is complement. It is not an object because it is completing the sense of the sentence. Students, complement always completes the sense of the sentence. Okay, so the captain of their team, the first Prime Minister of India, Radha, and sad. These are complements in the sentence. Students, you will write down all these things in your notebook and you will revise the object and the complement. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.